Hi everyone! Thanks for clicking up on this video and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now it's me, Jennifer, once again, and I hope your day is going amazingly. Alright, for today's video, get ready with me because we'll be doing a construction collaboration era. Actually, it's not collabs at all. It's a quiet disagreement because my hobby doesn't want me to involve those kind of tasks. But since that I want to explore the things that I don't know how to do it, so I'm still forcing to help him because the first time I saw him mixing the steam pot and the cement, I was actually spellbound with that kind of extraordinary task. This is the reason why I'm wearing this face mask para at least minimal lang yung gas na masisipat ko. Kasi grabe talaga yung skin coat, nakaka-dry sa skin at medyo nakakatigas talaga ng buhok. So this is actually my normal looks. Nakapangbahay. I did not wear makeup or any other trinkets because we don't need to always look glamorous in front of the camera. We're not going to scaparelli para magmukhang buildable or minimalist look. Kasi makakachutsugan mag-paint lang naman ako at tutulungan lang siyang mag-mix ng skin coat and cement. You know what guys, kung bakit ginagawa ko to, gusto ko explore talaga yung mga gawain pang lalaki para kahit wala sila, magagawa natin yung gusto natin, diba? Kapag tayo lang sa bahay, so kailangan gawin natin yung mga bagay din na ginagawa nila. Kailangan natin maging independent girls, diba? Anyway, I'm here in my hobby's brother residence here in Quezon City, Montalban. Dito kami gumagawa ng construction collabs. Construction disagreement. So guys, samahan niyo ako at paano akong mag-mix ng skin coat and cement. At pati na rin, tutulungan ko siya kung paano mag-paint. Sabi niya sa akin, panggulo lang daw ako. Pero, who cares, diba? So guys, at this point in time, I'm gonna show you how it looks like or how to do it. Let's go!
At this very particular moment, he just finished on making the baseboard.
So ngayon guys, dahil ayaw niya akong tulungan ko siya, kukunan ko na lang siya ng patagong video kung ano yung ginagawa niya. Actually, kasalukuyan na siyang nag-paint. Tapos na yung first and second coating. So yung ginagawa niya is to finalize na lang yung paint para matapos na talaga. So guys, this is how it looks like. Yung na-mix na paint. Tigas na siya. So got a chance to touch this. Panakaw lang po guys, panakaw. So guys, this is it. I'm gonna use this spatula. Parang spatula, pero hindi ko talaga spatula. Lumabot. Wait. Water. Cemento talaga ito guys. Ginawa ko kasi kung gusto yung cemento, lagyan ko ng tubig. Para, lumabot ulit. At the same naman, we'll mix yung skin coat. Yung iba tumigas na, so lalagyan ko na lang ulit ng tubig para lumambot. Here it is. Talaga mag-explore ng ganito. So now I came back here on my spot again and I've gathered all the tools that needs for a construction worker. So here it is now. I'm gonna show you. First thing is paintbrush. Ito yung ginagamit kapag mag-paint ka na. Siyempre, diba? Alam niyo naman yun. And the second one is we have gloves. Susuotin mo to kapag mag-paint ka at para hindi ka madunghan or madung sa ng paint. Yan. Susuot mo siya ng ganit. Charan! Actually, ginagamit siya kapag magpipig ka ng wall. Like for example, ito. Meron tayong hammer. Hammer is ginagamit siya kapag magpipig ka ng wall, ng bato. Siyempre. At ito din, meron tinatawag na DIY. At nilagyan ng masonry nail. This is what we call masonry nail. Kasi maraming klase yung nails, di ba? So, ganito siya. Ganito siyang gawin. Yan. Titik-tikin mo siya. At saka mo ikakabit yung tugang outlet. Ito siya. Or Royo outlet. Tapos, yung flexible hose. Yan po kapag sa mga electrician. Next is we have bar level. Ito naman ay ginagamit siya kapag gagawa ka ng baseline or baseboard doon sa packaging. And meron tayong tinatawag na roller. Roller or rolling paint. Ganun. Ayan. And the next one is we have the so-called Rodilang bakal or cement trowel. Ito ay ginagamit kapag maglalagay ka ng cement or skin coating. Tapos, meron tayo dito tinatawag na parang spatula, panghalo sa cement. This is not actually spatula kasi yung spatula sa mga cakes na pang-bake yan, diba? Kalimutan ko lang ang tawag dito. Tapos, or yung simple, sour. This is the use of Rodilang bakal and spatula. And of course, we have here, the construction worker must have this kind of tool, abrasive paper. Ginagamit siya kapag maglilima ka. Kapag tapos ka na mag-skin coating or skin coating ka na, lilihain siya. Para maging makinis yung wool. Bago ka maglagay ng, before you put the paint sa wool. Marami pa yun, pero ito lang yung na-collect kong tools. Actually, nag-ano din ako after na mag-paint nila ng hobby ko. Naglinis ako ng mga residue dun sa yung mga cement na tira-tira. And of course, yung mga dust from the skin coating. Inalis ko yun. And of course, pagkatapos noon may extra time pa ako, nagugas din ako ng mga laruan ni Jonah. Again, after facing a tiring day of work, of course, here it is, a simple reward. Meron tayong Coca-Cola. Disclaimer lang po, hindi pwede sponsorship or hindi pwede sponsors. Meron tayong Coca-Cola, syempre, and meron tayong Toron, and meron pang Pupiang Munggo, at Pupiang Bago. At meron pang pizza fries. At ayun nga, dahil hindi pa ako nakakamubuon sa mga tools na ginagamit ng construction worker at ng electrician, dahil hindi ko pa nabanggit yung ibang tools, meron palang tinatawag na measuring tape. Ginagamit siya kapag mag-measure ka ng nakaline like yung baseboard na yun. Tapos meron tinatawag na flat, ano nga to? Flat screw. Ayan, flat screw. And meron ding plier. Plier or plier. Parang gano'n. Tapos, meron din goggles. Kaya ginagamit kapag meron din flat spatula. Yung kanina yung parang may lulus. Pa-triangle yung spatula. Ito naman flat spatula. At marami tong iba na hindi ko pa nagabanggit. Ayan, kung bago ka lang po sa channel ko, don't forget to hit the bell button and subscribe. And also don't forget to smash the thumb up below and like this video if you want this video. But if you don't want this video, you can simply disregard. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now. And see you on my next vlog. Bye.